Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get a free API hacking certification and course, that is the CAPIE, that is Certified API Hacking Expert. So this is the free, and this is showing the 12.99, but we are getting into €0. So we are going through the step-by-step process for that. So here we unlock the path of becoming the hacking expert with the comprehensive CAPI certified API hacking expert training. So this is the free online course guided you through the hands-on lesson, real-world API attack scenario, and actionable techniques. So no certification required for this level. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So now what you will learn on this. So understanding API vulnerability, there is a REST, GraphQL, WebSockets. So practical exploration technique, injection, authentication bypass, rate limiting abuse, and mass assignment. So API security translate testing tools and methodologies. So setting up your own API hacking lab, real world cases studies from the bug bounty programs and infosec engagement. How to move from the learner to API security professional. So we'll go through that. So why this course is matter? API power modern applications are increasingly targeted by attackers, and whether you are a developer, security researcher, bug bounty hunter, or the IFO professional, and mastering API hacking gives you a high impact skill set. So according to the list trend, and API attacks are one of the fastest growing threat vectors in cybersecurity. So access this material, we'll go through the URL. So this is the URL. I'm going to open this URL. So open. So this is the showing in the dollar 12.99 and euro 12.99, and this is €0. So CAPE certified API hacking expert lesson material and cert of the completion. So certificate you are on the completion. So total 122 lessons are there, and what you learn you can go through this. So it will cover what is an API, REST on SOAP, difference, how to talk an API, WSAP, API and top 10 to 2019, 2023, API documentation, API firewall. So these things will go through that. So now click on this buy now. So let it verify. So here put your email address. Okay. So click on continue. So your name, put your password. So I'm agree to term and condition. So create account. So we have done this. Now here you will get like this. Okay. So discount coupon will apply free. Okay. So click this. So you will get a €0. Okay. Previously 12.99, but we are getting the €0. Now click on get now. So go to your account, click here, go to products. Here you can get this one. Okay. So click there. So here total each 122 lessons are there. So you have to complete one by one, just like I'm clicking complete after reading this one, and read everyone. Everything is interesting. There is a what an API, what is an API, SOAP versus REST. So there is a too many things are there. Authentication and authorization. What is the difference? What is this? And interesting is a curl Postman is there, so SOAP UI is there, Python, so OWASP, okay, so Bola is there. So all the interesting things are there regarding the cybersecurity. So go through the step-by-step process for that. And when you'll complete, it will show you the complete. When all the lessons you will complete, you will get here view certificate. And when you click the view certificate, you will get a certificate like this. So certificate of completion, there is your name and CAPIE certified API. This one. So let me open this. I'll show you. So there is your option is view certificate is there. When you click on the view certificate, you will get a this certificate. Okay. So your name and other details will be appear here. So same, we are getting the certificate and you can download as a PDF also. So in this video, we have learned how to get free API hacking certification and certificate of the completion of this course. And disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo and names belong to their respective owners. This video is made only for the educational and information purpose under Fair Act Section 107 and Copyright Act 1976. So follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question on the YouTube comment box. I will reply personally. And subscribe for the free tutorial learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Thank you.